Can you imagine a world without traveling? For whatever reason, people are traveling today. It just has become a part of life. We all travel at some point, but how can you travel when you arrive? You surely need a car, but it's hard to find a car rental company in which you can trust and can give you the assurance and stability. That's why Novelty Car Rental, one of the best car rentals in Curacao, just want to give any travelers or students and local people the opportunity to experience Curacao in an affordable way. We are focusing to give our customers directness, trust and integrity. We are working to make a difference in the world. Novelty Car Rental, ready to serve you with fast service, affordable prices, and airport pickup. Just go to our website, pick the car you like, and you're ready to enjoy your vacation. Your wish